this is the Lifetime Raised Garden Bed. So when you get this, a package like this, you get a set of instructions, 8 clips, 4 of these, which are gonna join the 2 raised beds together if you wanna double stack them. And you have these little plugs right here. They have these holes in here. So you get these plugs. The only purpose these things serve is to fill these holes. So you just push them in here. Simple as that. One by one. Next step, super simple. We're just gonna interlock these together. Basically just line the grooves and the slots up, line it up, push it down, 2 and 4. Another thing to point out, if you were growing something that's deep rooted, you're gonna wanna till the ground underneath it here. We're gonna move these to a spot later. Or if you want, you can put some landscape fabric underneath it there, your choice, or just leave it alone. Next move, just for stability, they've given us these little clips right here. There's 8 of them, 1 for each section that you get. So we use 4 of these. All they do is keep these things, help keep these interlocked. So on the bottom, you just press them in and they just snap into place. Now they're all interlocked together. So if we have to move this around, it's become one structure now. All right, so that's how you build a single section. So I took those clips out because I'm gonna demonstrate how to build a double section. We're gonna use these double clips we have right here because we've got these slots on here and we flip this section upside down now. We're just gonna lay this section on top of there and it should fit right into those slots. And from that point, we will use the double clips and clip this thing together. And we've got them, you can see how they're kind of interlocked in there. Now we've got the double clip and that'll go on here. There's one. There we are, double raised bed, all linked together. We have the canopy and we have the poles. Looks like they're just going to join like this and like that. All right, easy enough, there's one. So if you're putting the canopy on, we've got these 4 corner pieces and they've given us 8 screws. You can see they're gonna go in the corner here and there's actually a couple little dimples where they've started it so that you can screw this thing in here. So just sitting here like this and you screw each one in. And you just do the other 3 sections. Now that we've got the poles assembled, they basically fit down into this slot right here and you bend it back and stick them in there like that. And the canopy itself, it's got some Velcro straps on here. They're gonna link in through here to tie it into place. And now we have access to the inside of here. There it is, Lifetime Raised Garden Bed, double stacked version.